Tony Soul on a track.
You broke my heart, that's a heart attack. You crushed my soul like an avalanche. A young lady with a fat ass, but I look past that. Educated, I started to dig that. You so fly like first class feelings, I caught that. I wish I never did, but I couldn't stop that. The way you love yourself, the way you talk. When we hang, I get that rush. Times I wish I could bring them back. I don't want you back, I just miss your touch. Miss the way we made love. Everything you did have was because I gave you it. Our love was genuine. You was a star like the icon edge to the tracks that I'm favoring. They remind me of you and I'm fucking hating it. I should delete all your pictures, but I'm saving them for evidence, just in case you wanna start acting different. I'm going insane, I think I should go see the Reverend. Right now I'm in hell, cause when I was with you I was in heaven. This liquor got me collapsing like 9/11. I was by your side 24/7, and you still had the nerve to tell me I was the one that made you jealous. Honestly, at this point, I don't give a fuck about your feelings. That's the way I'm feeling. This blunt gets me elevated like propellers. I'm going up way past the ceiling. I need some healing. I heard God's throwing a party and I'm attending. Tonight I'm getting fucked up and the devil is pretending. It's just part of life, but I'm still learning. If I die tonight, it don't concern me. I'm just tired of you hurting me. What happened was a tragedy and I was a casualty. Dad, are you proud of me? I'm crying over a bitch, but you can't be mad at me. I got the bottle in the side of me. You taught me better and I say that proudly. So probably tomorrow I'll be throwing a party with the Martians, somewhere far where no one can find me. Leaving all my past regrets behind me. Yes, I do 300 on my spaceship. I'm doing 25 to life and ascension. Every day I wake up and I see the same shit. It's about time that I change my fragrance. 777s, that's my lucky number. Other than 666, big middle finger to all these bitches. I mean X's, hell on earth, so I'm walking shirtless. I saw Satan and I got scared shitless. But if this is what it takes to be a celebrity A-list, then I'm willing and I'm waiting for my payment till the day I see my playlist in a radio station. It's the day we made it, till then we just keep on praying. And I'm lost in this world, God please save me. Some say suicide is the quickest way out this prison. And if you're really real, then I hope you're listening. Cause I lost the hope the day you took my sister. But then again, I survived, so I guess that's a blessing. I'm living blind and the truth is explicit. I'm thankful I'm alive, but I never asked to be born in the first place. So it just balances out between the positive and negatives. I'm here to save the world, you could say I'm heaven sent. But I'm just like another human, so calling me a god will make no sense. Right now I'm in first base trying to make it back home where I belong. Life's a beach and there's a storm. Like Katrina, bitches have no soul.